single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello people, this is gonna be an unboxing video. I received a package from GoPro, and as you maybe know, there's a new GoPro available right now, and I'm gonna show you the unpacking of the GoPro itself and some accessories I bought for the GoPro, also the GoPro 10. So let's get into it. This is the box, so let's open it. It is always so satisfying to open new goodies. Check this. I think I did it wrong again. Yeah, anyway, I can reach into it. So we have the invoice. We have, of course, the GoPro 10. I also got myself a vlogging kit, Media Mod. So I already have that one on my GoPro 9. So it's also the same one for the 10. See? They put a sticker on it. Everything that's made for the 9 is also working on the 10. So that's great. Batteries, everything like that. Yeah, they fit into this cam, so I'm very happy for that. So let's see what's gonna be in here. Let's start with the GoPro. I'm going to try to open this the good way, so I don't screw the package too much. There you go. And the GoPro 10 is coming up. So this is a nice cardboard box, but you don't need that actually. Yeah, the GoPro comes into a nice case, durable hard case, so that's great. Same as the 9 actually. So then we have the inside of the package. Here we go. So here it is, the new GoPro. So what's in here? Let's see. There's a fast mount, 2 thumb screws. Then we have a mount to stick on something. Then another fast connector. And we have also a magnetic swivel. That's also included in this package. Then there is, of course, cable, USB cable. And we have 2 batteries in this package. So that's great. And what's also in here, let's have a look. It's, oh yeah, I think it's the tripod, the mini tripod that's in here. Yeah, there's a mini tripod in here. See, this is the one they always sell separate also. It's a very nice, handy mini tripod, so you can just set it on the table or anywhere you like actually. Yeah, it's a great. I think I'm gonna leave the cardboard in here. It's nice to keep it all divided. Although I'm never going to use this hard case. I use it for the accessories. But the cams I actually store in my backpack from GoPro. There's a place for 3 cams in there on top, and then all your other stuff can go in there, so that's very easy. So this is the GoPro itself. It's the same size as the other one, the 9. Yeah, well, let's get stuff from it. This is okay. Then you have the front screen. There's also a front screen like with the 9, so you can see yourself when doing some vlogging. Then we have a new lens. That's actually the lens that has special coating, so there's no water drips sticking on the lens anymore. There we go. And then we have, of course, the back screen. So let's get rid of that sticker. And yeah, well, I will set this up, make the update, and yeah, start using it. It's gonna be nice to use a second one. Actually, I have already the 9 and the 8, but yeah, it's always good to have some extra GoPros, you know. It's easy to have those. And then we have the mod, the media mod. I guess everybody knows this by now, but still I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. I think I should get myself a knife or something like that, but I'm gonna do it the wild way. Just rip it open. I don't mind. Don't save packages, because packages are just filling up your cupboards, and that's not what I want to have. So yeah, there you have it. It's another fast connector with another screw. Well, when you get a lot of stuff from GoPro, you actually get a lot of fast connectors and, you know, the screws and everything like that. So hey, that's great. Books, manuals. We don't need manuals. So is there anything else in here, or is this empty already? I think it's empty. Yeah, it's empty. So yeah, that's empty. So that can go also into the dustbin. So what do we have? Well, you know, or you don't know it's a microphone. Yeah, it goes all directions. You can choose it also from the menu settings, where you want to take the sound from the back, from the front, from the back. And then you have the wind muffle, and this one is actually very good. I've been using this for quite a while now on my GoPro 9, and I must say, really, I don't have almost any wind anymore in my videos. It's actually so good, this vlogging kit or mod, that I actually, and it's maybe stupid to say, but I don't use my Sony cam anymore at the moment. So because this is really good for sound and everything, and the videos are also very nice quality, 4K, so it's no problem. Yeah, well, let's get it in here. I think it's the best thing to do is mount it directly in here, because this is what I'm going to use all the time. I have one for using in the water also. That's the 8, GoPro 8. There's a little pain in the ass to open it, I know. It's always the same with this, but it's open. Let's see. So I think I have to remove some things here first. How does it go in there? Oh, is it? No. It's going this way, so I have to get rid of this. Yeah, I think so. It's going in this way. Yep, that's it. So have to remove the door. So you can remove the door easily. Just click it a little bit over and it's okay. Let's put a battery in there. I only will use one battery. Why? Because I have battery handle sticks that are very great to use. and these are like, let's have, do we have one here? Yeah, this is from Ulanzi, and these are very great handles. You can screw your GoPro on top of it. You have a handle to hold, but it's also a battery, and you can film up to 12 hours with this continuously. So yeah, it's so enormous. It's great, and you can also screw the tripod underneath it. So that's great. So let's see what's going to happen here if I slid it in there. And then I'm gonna go for the update and everything like that. Oh yeah, look, it fits like a charm in here. There we go. So yeah, here we have it. Here we have it. Here we have it. The new GoPro 10. Well, you will see some footage with it passing by, and I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, people. Because yeah, subscribing helps us. So here we go. Have a nice day and see you the next time. Bye bye.